So you think you can dance, but can you do the honeybee waggle dance? Honeybees are amazing creatures. They're highly social and rely on each other for their survival. There are 3 different kinds of bees in any hive. The first kind are the drones. These are the only males in the hive, and their job is to go on a mating flight where they mate with queens from other hives and then promptly die. Thanks a lot, guys. The second kind of bee in any hive is the queen bee. Despite her title, she has no authority over the bees in the hive, but is in charge of laying all the eggs for the hive. Each hive only has 1 queen, and if at any point there are more than 1, they will fight to the death. Finally, there are the worker bees. These all-female bees are in charge of all the everyday work of the hive. Honeybees fall into a category of animals called eusocial animals. These animals are crazy because they have highly complex social structures, but what makes them even crazier is that some of the individuals within the species, in this case the hardworking worker bees, don't reproduce but instead care for the offspring of other individuals. This system is confusing with a basic understanding of natural selection. How are these complex actions of the worker bees being selected for over time if they don't have any offspring themselves to pass them down to? There are many different models and theories that explain how eusocial animals evolve. One of these theories is called the inclusive fitness theory. This theory assumes that all of the individuals within a hive are very closely related because they all come from the same queen. Therefore, it assumes that the drones and queens are carrying but not expressing the genes that cause the complex actions within the worker bees. So, when the drones and queens benefit from the work that the worker bees are doing, it allows these genes to be passed down to their offspring and selected for over time. One of the coolest examples of eusocial behavior in honeybees is called the Waggle Dance. When a forager bee finds a particularly rich source of nectar, she will perform a dance to an attentive audience of other forager bees, giving them information about the location of the source. The dancing bee will waggle forward and then turn around to repeat the waggle. The angle that the bee waggles from straight up and down in the hive is the same angle as the source is from the hive in relation to the sun. The length of the dance tells the other foragers how far away the source is from the hive, with 1 second being about equivalent to 750 meters. Scientists can interpret this dance to learn about where honeybees are finding their nectar, which can aid in conserving honeybee habitat. Talk about interpretive dance. Thanks for watching.